Imagine a scary situation. You are suddenly confronted, and you feel threatened. Your heart races, and your first thought might be to escape. But what if you cannot? Or what if the law says you do not have to? This is where understanding self-defense laws becomes incredibly important for everyone. The direct answer is yes. In states with stand your ground laws, they generally mean there is no legal duty to retreat from a confrontation before using force in self-defense. This means if you are in a place where you have a legal right to be, and you reasonably believe you are in danger of serious bodily harm or death, you do not have to try and escape the situation before defending yourself. Historically, many jurisdictions operated under what was known as a duty to retreat. This principle required an individual to attempt to disengage from a dangerous situation if they could do so safely, before resorting to the use of defensive force. Stand your ground laws directly challenge this by removing that specific legal obligation, asserting that you have the right to defend yourself without first attempting to flee, provided your use of force is otherwise justified. These laws are designed to affirm an individual's right to self-preservation wherever they are legally allowed to be. For you, this means understanding the specific laws in your state is crucial, as they can vary significantly. If confronted, your primary focus should always be to assess the threat and ensure your safety. While stand your ground laws remove the duty to retreat, they do not give a license to escalate a conflict or use excessive force. The force used must still be reasonable and proportionate to the threat faced, based on what a reasonable person would believe in similar circumstances. It is also helpful to understand the concept of castle doctrine, which is often confused with or seen as a precursor to stand your ground. Castle doctrine generally states there is no duty to retreat when you are inside your own home, sometimes extended to your property or vehicle. Stand your ground extends this principle beyond your home, applying it to any public or private place where you are lawfully present. However, even with stand your ground, the core principles of self-defense, such as the reasonable belief of imminent danger and proportional force, remains paramount. Ultimately, stand your ground laws empower individuals to defend themselves without needing to prioritize escape, fostering a sense of security and personal autonomy. They highlight the importance of knowing your rights and responsibilities to ensure your actions are legally sound. Remember, while you are not legally obligated to back down, making safe choices and avoiding confrontation whenever possible remains a wise approach to personal safety.